I blush, you just set my base with the powder. Just it. Take any type of loose powder. I take the Maybelline one. So yeah, here is it. Powder. Just a tap and stab it on your skin. You can use any type of brown eyeshadow. I have this palette and I use this one, this dark one. So take any type of brown eyeshadow and just tap the excess and did your eyebrows like this. Just fill it. Don't drag or don't draw. Don't try to draw extra because we want natural. As can you see, this one and this one, the difference. After doing my eyebrows, I have to go for the eyeshadow. Take any type of color, whatever you like. I like this one. It's the shade Secret. Just take it, dab it, follow the axis and just do this thing. Tap, 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 tap. Do it on your lash line and you're good to go. You don't need extra. So after doing this eyeshadow, you can take any type of kajal if you like, or if you like eyeliner, just go for the eyeliner. I took the kajal, okay? So take the kajal here and close your eyes and drag it right to left. And আমার কর্নারটা বেরিয়েছে দেখতে পাচ্ছ, সেটাকে আমি হাত দিয়ে না হালকা হাতে ব্লেন্ড করে নেব। এন্ড কি করবে তোমরা আঙুল দিয়ে একটু নিচের যে আইশ্যাডোটা আছে সেটা একটু হালকা করে ব্লেন্ড করে নেবে। তো বাইরের দিকে চলে গেল। This, just use a mascara. Take this and ruin this. Look at the difference this side and this side. After doing